Magandang araw po sa lahat. Ngayon po ay October 19, 2020. Tingnan po natin yung PCI ngayon kung ano na po yung price action ng PCI. Tumataas ba si PCI o bumababa ngayon? Okay, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Sa mga nandyan sa Pilipinas, good morning. Sa may mga fellow OFWs, good evening. So now let's go to the PCI. PCI chart. Si PCI ngayon ay tumataas ng 2.05%. But still the foreign ceiling is 614.46 million. So kung tingnan natin dito sa price action, kung ilagay natin yung resistant, resistant is somewhere on this line. So this line, so nandiyan pa rin sa may resistant area si PCI, no? I-adjust natin yung linya. So magawa tayo ng another incline line. So we will put this line. Okay. Kung tingnan natin yung PCI price action, ay mas maganda kung ma-break na itong yellow line sa taas. So hindi po ito fixed sa line, but this is an area. So as we know, resistance and support is an area. Wala pong fixed na location kung ano yung level. Only it is an area. So now, tumaas yung PCI ngayon sa 2.05%. But we need to watch tomorrow if PCI will break this resistance, the yellow line. PCI ma-break na yung yellow line. So this is good for PCI. So we will see the price action of PCI on this area. But in case tomorrow ay hindi niya ma-break yung resistance, which is the yellow line above, there is a possibility that this level of PCI will going back to this incline support. So this is the time we need to watch this line. If this line will break down, so there's a possibility that PCI will going back on this level. So we need to watch PCI on this horizontal support if he will retrace tomorrow. But if he can break this resistance above, and if there is a pullback, we need to see. So it's good kung ma-break na yung resistance above. So tingnan natin yung resistance sa taas. So we'll see somewhere on this area. Okay. So this is another resistance here. Kung ma-break niyan, then there's a price action in this area. This is good area for PCI. But if tomorrow, hindi na ma-break and then there's a pullback, we need to watch on this incline support. Because today, tumataas yung price but the parent selling is still continue. We have 614.46 today. So now let's going to the screener. Tingnan natin yung screener ngayon kung sino yung mga stock na nasa taas na ng lahat ng exponential moving average. As we discussed last Friday, congratulations sa mga nakabili sa PXP. Still, PXP ay nagsisiling ngayon. So, base sa ating discussion about the 20% pivot rule, PXP ay pasok pa siya kasi more than 50% yung opening kaninang umaga. But AB, yung nagsisiling din nung nakaraan, last Friday, nag-open siya below 20%. So, kaya mahina. Nag-swing lang siya pataas and then he going back to the near the opening price. So, let's go now to the screener. Tingnan natin yung mga stock na nasa taas ng lahat ng exponential moving averages. Thank you for watching Pinoy Bisakol Vlog. Thank you very much. Now, we'll go into the screener. So, we will concentrate on the stock na nasa taas na ng lahat ng exponential moving averages. So I will share it to you, the screener. So ito yung mga stock na nasa taas na ng lahat ng exponential moving averages. So it's above AME 20, AME 50, AME 100, and AME 200. So one of them here is AB. Ito po yung nagsisiling yung nakaraang Biyernes. So last Friday. But ngayon, hindi po siya nagsiling. May bago po dito na pumasok yung ETNB. Ito po yung preferred share ng ETN. So pero mataas na. It's going up by 14.86% today. So abangan natin kung may retracement. So nandito yung Bloom, yung bagong pumasok sa screen natin yung Bloom. Nandito pa rin yung CHP. Yung ECR, ito yung malapit sa may mid-20. Nandito yung SWES Bank. Nandito pa rin si Food. Si Food, nandito, FNI, FGIN, Green, Ginebra San Miguel, IDC, IRC. So, LTG, congrats sa nakasakay sa LTG. It's continue going up. MEX, MREC, MB, MPI. So now, nandito pa rin si Now, si OR, PNX, ito po yung tumaas ng 34% today. So PSB, PX, PXP ay nagsisiling pa rin. CSPC, TBGI, TOGS, and WEAV, and nandito pa rin ngayon. So now, hindi po natin isa-isa ito kasi dami po nito na mga stock na nasa taas ng exponential moving averages. But we need to check today EB. We will check ACEX, ECR, Bloom, CHP, East West Bank, will check Food, IDC, and MN. So, ito po yung mga companies na nasa taas na ng lahat ng exponential moving averages. Dito yung axillum. So AB. So now we're going back to the uh, chart. Thank you, Engineer Bilan, for watching. Now let's going back to the screener. Si EB, si EB po, ito po yung nag-ceiling last Friday. So kung tingnan natin ngayon, based on the 20% rule, dapat si EB ay mag-open 30. Pero hindi siya nag-open na 13.85 kaninang umaga. So yung opening ng Abatok, Atok Bigs ay 12.6. So the 20% is 13.85. So ibig sabihin, mababa sa 20% paibot. So as a rule, we need to take profit. So umabot po siya sa may 17.2 and then he going back to 13.02. So kasi pag hindi po mag-open sa 20% or above 20%, mahina po yung momentum. So what we do now for AB, we will check if there is a retracement and we will watch the next price action of AB. Next one is ASIC. Si ASIC po ay tumataas nung nakaraang last week. We discussed this one the other day. We need to wait for a retracement. So now nakikita natin ngayon si ASIC ay nagre-retrace and we need to see the price action of ASIC on this area. Ngayon wala pa tayong makikita na price action na showing the aggressiveness of the buyer. So we will see kung mag-drop siya dito sa my yellow line. So this is the previous resistance and we will see if there is a retest in this area. So this is our prediction last week, that last Friday, that we will see ASIC if we will go retracement. Now today is down by 3.56. So this is the time now we need to watch ASIC if there is a bounce in this support, this yellow line, and the AMA 20. Watch every time you need to watch AMA 20, and there is the support area also. So we need to watch for this ASIC. But we need to see, tingnan natin kung may aggressiveness of the buyer. Hindi po pwede na enter tayo sa stock market. We need to be in the support area. Always in the support area. Okay? So we'll see. ASIC if mag-drop siya dito sa may 200 and in this yellow line. So next one, we will see ECR. So ECR, si ECR ay tumataas po ito ni ECR. Ngayon si ECR, nagsa-sideways si ECR. And then kung tingnan natin yung incline support, itong yellow line na nilagay ko dito, ay na-break po ni ECR. And then he's trying to going back and then hindi niya na break again yung yellow line. So for me, I will not enter ECR now. Kung ako yung sa sarili ko na analysis, hindi ko muna mag-enter sa ACR. I will wait kung may magandang uh, opportunity. Kasi kung lalagyan natin ng incline resistant, nandyan pa rin sa area na yan, no? So, limited po yung ni ECR. But for me, if I am the one to watch, I need ECR to be above of this blue line. So, for me, I will wait another opportunity for ECR. Now, this is the new company na pumasok sa EMI sa lahat ng exponential moving averages, yung Bloomberry. So, si Bloomberry, kung tingnan natin yung long-term na resistance ni Bloomberry, nakalabas na po si Bloomberry. So, nandito si Bloomberry sa may AMA 200, no? So now we need to watch Bloomberry. Kasi hindi na natagos yung candle kanina. So we need to watch if there is a pullback of Bloomberry. Okay? So we need to see kung may retracement ni Bloomberry. Okay? But kung ma-break na itong yellow line, this is the resistance, it's good. But for me, this candle, there's a possibility na mag-retrace ng county si Bloomberry. So we will watch on this location. Somewhere here. We need to watch and mag-hold itong support. Okay? So we need to see this Bloomberry. We need to monitor, but take note, we need to position in the support area, always in the support area. So next one is CHP. Si CHP ay tuloy yung angat ni CHP. Now, kung tingnan natin dito, we will adjust this incline support. So nag-hold pa naman si CHP sa mga incline support. So for me, kung ma-break itong incline support, so there's a big possibility that CHP will going back to this yellow line below, this support area, this one. But in case si CHP ay umangat, and we will see if there is a loss of momentum kung umangat siya. Makikita natin kung mag-lose momentum yung stock. Kasi hindi na siya umabot doon sa may previous resistance. So, but as of now, CSP is still holding this incline support. But if this incline support ay ma-break down, so we need to escape. Kung ako may position dito, I need to exit. And I will look for another opportunity kung mag-bounce dito sa May 200. But ngayon, nandito pa naman siya sa may incline support. Nag-hold pa naman. So we will see the next price action of CHP. If in case CHP ay umangat, and then hindi na umabot dun sa may resistance above, you need to be aware because the momentum is, this is the sign that the momentum is losing. So we need to see next price action of CHP. Next one is East West Bank. East West Bank, sa lahat ng siya po yung natin dito sa may chart, sa price action, mga nag-down si ACEX Bank and then nag-bounce on this area. So it means this is a resistant area. And then, bumalik sa baba and then nag-bounce ulit dito. And then I touch again this area. So this is the second time EW touching this resistant area. And then, hindi na natagos yung na-break niya yung resistant. And then, yung going back, so nakikita na natin ngayon na may aggressive yung buyer dito na area. Kasi hindi siya nagbalik dito sa may bottom line. So, yung naka-position dito, so congrats yung naka-position dito sa may 200 below. Pero ngayon, so ditong area, hindi na siya umabot dito na location. So it means, makikita natin na yung buyer ay may pagka-aggressive. So, kung makikita tumataas. And then ngayon, nandito na sa may resistant area. So we need to see if there is a pullback in AME 20 or AME 200. If ever ma-break niya, he will go, or maybe he will go sideways. Okay? So we need to watch this EW. Next one is food. Kung si food ay unti-unti din nangangat ni food, umabot pa siya dito, and then nag-retrace. Okay, nag-retrace si food. Ngayon, for me, kung ako yung magano, titingnan ko kung may mag-stay si food sa ibabaw nitong yellow line. So I need to watch, ilagay natin sa yellow line yung resistant. I need to watch food kung may bounce dito na area and mag-stay siya dito na area. So this is good for food. Halimbawa, ganito This is only my own analysis. If ever food will go in there and hit again this resistance, and then there is a pullback here. So this is the time I need to watch food in this area. Kung may bounce dito na area. But for now, nasa resistant area, maybe there is a chance that he will going back to this support below. So, sa akin, analysis, I will wait. Food, kung ganito yung pattern ni food, ganito ang mangyayari. But if ever, hindi siya pumunta diyan, keep away muna ako, and then I will hold. I will check on another price action kung umabot siya ulit dito. Kasi nasa resistance siya ngayon. Kung tingnan natin, nasa resistance po si food. Ngayon, kung tumaas siya, tumama doon sa may resistance sa taas, and then there's a pullback, this is the time I need to watch food. But for now, keep away muna ako ni food until ma-reach na yung expectation ko na ganyan ang movement ng kanyang price. Kasi pag bumalik yan dito sa bottom, so there's a possibility na magda-downtrend ulit si food. So we need to keep in touch always in the price action, because the price action is the one tells us whether the buyer is in aggressive or the seller is in aggressive. So gusto kong mangyari, ganyan ang mangyari na pattern ni food. So now let's go to IDC. Okay? Si IDC ay tumaas po nung nakaraang linggo, and then is going back to, nagre-retrace po siya. Okay? So, yung nakasakay, congrats sa nakasakay, yung dito na area, and tumataas. So, tingnan natin dito na area, dito sa may ito yung EDX. Okay? Yung EDX ay paangat yung EDX, and then yung MACD ay above the signal line. So may momentum po si IDC. And then yung EDX ay paangat now, it's in the 25 area, above 25. So kung tingnan natin yung MACD, si MACD ay nag-taper down. So it means there is a slow of momentum. Humihina ng kaunti si IDC. So we need to see in the support area if there is a bounce. IDC is good. But if ever si MACD mag-cruise down, so this is another story for IDC. So there's a possibility that he will go down also in this area. But for me, this is the arrow that we put I think last Friday or Thursday. This is our expectation now, is going down. So we need to see and watch the movement of IDC in this area. Kung may makikita naman natin yan kung aggressive ba yung buyer o aggressive yung seller based on the pattern. But for now, wala po tayong nakikita na pattern ni IDC. So for me, I will wait IDC on this location. Okay? But kasi pero kung kayo dito sa market, nasa market kayo palagi, if I am monitoring every day in the market, I will be positioned in this area. Kung sakaling mag-breakdown, I will go exit. This is the trading strategy. Okay? Once the support is hold, you position there, and then kung ma-break, so you need to escape. But we will not buy on in the resistance area. Kasi kung mag-retrace yan, halimbawa dito na area, so paano na yung nakabili sa 269? It is resistant area. Now, nag-retrace siya, and we don't know he will going back to 238. Kung pagdating sa 238, ma-break na yung support, what happened? So, ano mangyayari natin dyan? Nandun tayo sa tuktok. It's better we will position in the support area, this yellow line. Kung ma-break, kaunti lang yung yung loss. Minimal lang. Kaysa dito tayo sa may resistant area mag-position. So, we need to practice na bumili tayo palagi sa support area kasi nasa side natin yun palagi. If in case yung support ay hindi mag-hold, then I go exit. Only minimal losses. But if dito tayo sa resistant, so malaki po yung losses natin dyan. So now, let's go to the last one. MM. Si MM po ay na-break po niya yung resistant last I think Thursday. Okay? So, ito yung ginuguhit ko na line last Thursday. Kung hindi ako nagkamali, kung ma-hold na itong incline support, I will stay there. Pero kung ma-break, I will go exit. But dito sa MM, hindi na siya bumalik dito, umabot na dito sa may, na-break niya itong resistance dito. Okay? Now, he's going in the retracement mode. Ngayon, ang gagawin natin, labilan mo lang yung pinaka-high, yung nauntog siya diyan, no? Yan lang para makita natin kung ano mangyayari, no? Labilan mo yung pinaka-high, and then nag-retrace siya, pwede tayo mag-position dito. Pero kung ma-break, we need to escape kasi yun, malayo yan. We need to wait here. The same what happened in Manila Water. Sa Manila Water, ganyan po ang nangyayari. Na-break niya and then bumalik dito sa may loob ng pattern. So, ipakita ko yung Manila Water. Si Manila Water hanggang ngayon ay hindi pa rin naka-recover si Manila Water. Pero, kung titingnan natin yung overall na pattern ni MWC, mula sa ilalim, aggressive po yung buyer. No? So, kung tingnan natin dito yung Manila Water. Umangat siya dito, nauntog, so naging resistant, bumalik, and nag-bounce. So it means that this area is a support. And then tumaas, hindi na siya bumalik dito, nauntog ulit dito sa may resistant area dito. So tinitingnan ko itong Manila Water kasi paurong pataas, and it means the buyer is aggressive. Now, nauntog ulit siya dito, and then umangat siya dito sa may area na ito. So dito. So na-break si si MWC. So nandito po ako, bumili ako dito ng area. Now nag-break siya, and then nauntog siya dito sa may middle line. Ito yung channel natin na ginawa, yung dalawa. Nauntog siya dito, nagpula. Then I sell half. Ngayon, bumasok siya dito ulit sa loob. And then nag-kick siya pataas ng konti, and hindi na inabot dito sa may taas. So it means the momentum is losing. So this is the time I exit in this area. So yung kalahati bininta ko dito, yung kalahati bininta ko rin dito sa baba. Kasi hindi na siya umabot doon sa taas, it means the momentum is losing. So ano nangyari ni MWC ngayon? Eh kung hindi ka nagbenta dito na area, it means naiwanan ka na dito sa taas. So ganyan lang po yung we need to see the price action, kung ano po yung sinasabi doon. Kasi makita natin na kung ang price action ay humina, it means yung buyer ay hindi na po agresibo. And the seller is continue control. So nagko-control na yung seller. So this is the time we need to escape. So now there is one we will see one of my friend also asking about Jollibee. Si WC, kung tingnan natin yung pareho yung price action. Kung i-compare mo doon sa MWC, ganun din, going up. So nag-bounce, hindi na yung resistance, bumalik. So it means this area is resistance. Nang bumalik dito sa linya, nag-bounce ulit. And then bumalik. Hindi rin natagos. Pero dito, hindi na siya bumaba. Angat na siya dito. So ngayon, bumalik, nag-bounce ulit. Pagdating dito, hindi na siya umabot dito sa may pinaka-high. So it means there is a loss of momentum. So ano nangyari dito? Na break na itong incline support. So, yung last video natin, uh, I mentioned that this area, I need to watch GFC on this area. Ngayon, bumalik si GFC, nag-break si GFC ngayon. So, tumaas siya ng 5.17%, malapit na sa may 200. Need to watch what is the next price action of GFC. Okay? Baka mauntulan din sa may 200. So, hintay-hintay lang muna. Tingnan natin yung MACD. Yung MACD ay nasa taas. So, it means there is a momentum for GFC. Okay? So, ganyan lang po yung ano natin, no? Makikita natin sa movement sa price. Okay? Ito yung incline resistance, support, bumalik. So, it means the buyer is nag-listen. So, this is the area we need to position this area. Last week, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday. Nag-hold siya dito. Now, ngayon na-break na. So, we need to wait for another opportunity. So, ganito lang po yung ano ng sa stock market. So, hindi lang tayo padalos-dalos. If you see the price action is going up, huwag niyong habulin yan. We need to wait for another opportunity. Okay? Kasi, hindi naman na yung stock na yan na nag-iisa lang na stock dito sa stock market na companies. Marami po tayong companies na nandito sa stock market. So kung walang opportunity sa isang stock, then go to another companies. So that is why we have a screener so that we can monitor where is the location of the price of that certain company. So yan po ang purpose na sa screener. Kasi kung wala tayong screener, mahirap po saan natin titingnan. Hindi natin alam kung ano nangyari. Ang alam na lang natin na tumataas na yung presyo. And then, pagtaas, baka tumataas na, then you got enter. So, hindi po ganyan yung trading in the stock market. We need to watch where is the stock, where is the price location. It is in the support. Is there the aggressiveness of the buyer? So, kung nasa resistance ba? Kung nasa resistance, keep away muna. Kung nasa support, we need to watch kung may bounce. So, ganyan lang po yung pag-trade sa stock market. And then, pag tumataas na yung price, so that time you need to sell half, so take profit. Binta nyo yung kalahati, nasa inyo yan, no? Kasi kailangan po natin yung profit. This is the purpose why we are here in the stock market. Kung kumita na tayo ng kaunti, take some of the profit, put it in your pocket. And then look for another opportunity. Kung may mag-bounce ulit sa support, then this is the time we need to participate again. Okay? Kasi sa stock market, cycle lang po yung ano natin sa stock market. Going down, and then accumulate, going up, and then distribute. Distribute means yung mga nakabili sa baba, magbibintahan na yon. Kaya unti-unti na namang mag-down yung price ng stock. And then going sideways. Ganyan lang yan. Cycle lang po yung stock. So hindi po natin continue yung angat ng presyo. So I hope you learn something about this one. This is only my own strategy. I'm not recommending any stock to buy. But this is the only way that I can share to all of you that we need to be watched always in the support area and the price action. So if you have comments, just put your comments in the comments box. If you have requests also, we need to see your request and we will discuss. So we need to keep communicating and sharing our knowledge so that we can enhance our knowledge in the stock market. So, I hope you learn something about my experience in the stock market. So, I am not now sa akin ay inano ko na yung ano no, kailangan always in the support area. So hindi na ako maghabol. I experienced that one before also. Pag mo makita dito sa may active traders, oh, baka tumataas to, baka so hindi natin alam na next day bumababa pala. So we need to be in the support area always. Bahala nang lumilipad na yung stock, there is a chance that it will go back. And after we go back, this is the time we need to participate if there is a bounce or price pattern that showing the aggressiveness of the buyer. So that's all for today. Thank you. And before I go, shout out to my viewers, my 4 viewers. Thank you very much to Pinoy Bisacol Vlog and Engineer Edwin Bilan and Engineer Enrique Lumontag. And to all my viewers, thank you very much. And God bless us all. To my uh, sister-in-law, Ate Mercy Akas, thank you very much. And that's all. God bless us always.